Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you've been watching and wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that button and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. And I would like to thank all the comments you've been leaving, all the nice comments and everything. Hope I've been getting back to them pretty good compared to what you want to hear. So today I'll be doing something very special in this Power Exhale. I haven't been putting out nothing lately because the kids is getting in school and everything, trying to get them straight and everything. So now I'm ready to start doing Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing something different in this Power Exhale today. Today I will be doing some air fry. And I know you wonder what I'm going to be air frying. But today I'm going to air fry some mango. Today I'll be air frying some fruit. This is a nice sized mango right here. Nice and round, as you see. And if you have any extra fruit in your refrigerator to keep it from going bad after the kids done ate enough for dessert and everything, if you have extra, Mr. Belle gonna take you today step by step. We're gonna air fry this together for the first time. Hope you enjoy it. I will be enjoying it and hope it tastes good. Today my ingredients is 1 mango. I'll be slicing this up nice and good. Ready to get it ready. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And I'll be mixing all that up together. You know, I like to mix it up together and get all the seasoning together. But first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start peeling this mango just like this. As you see, I'm just gonna slice it down like this and let it just come on down. Just like that. Let it just grade on down. Just like that, just roll it. Roll it nice and good, and you see the skin is coming off nice and thin. And just I don't want to put it in too deep. So look at the mango, looking nice and good. Just good, just like that. Nice and easy. Just like that, and we're just gonna peel this just like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna set this Power Exhale. I have my little tray in here. So I'm just gonna set this air fry. Press air fry, and I'm gonna set my temperature for 400. Set it for 400. And now I'm gonna set my minutes. I'm gonna set my minutes for 10 minutes. Might not use all the 10 minutes, but I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press start. Like that, and let it heat up some. We're gonna do that air fry, just let it heat up some, use about 3 minutes. In the meantime, I'm just gonna slice this, just like this. This right here is gonna be so good. Just slice it just like that. Cut it kind of thin so it's easy. Just like that. Yeah. Nice, good and thin. Just like that. Look how nice and good that look. This right here gonna be a delicious air fried mango. Then cut it to the side, just like that. Like that. Take this side and cut it. Like that. Just like that. to the side. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can get off this seed. I don't want to leave nothing on that seed. So I'm gonna slice all this up. Like that. And this is what you do when you have extra fruit. You can put whatever you want on it, or you don't have to put anything on it because it's already sweet. But I'm gonna just put a little of this on it. This is my first time and everything. I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this sugar in here, just a little, or you can put whatever you want, however you like it. Mix this up together like this. And I'm gonna just take my hand and just put it on just like this. Mix it up nice and good as you see. And I'm gonna just sprinkle a little on it, just like that. Just like that. Just sprinkle it all over. And then just cook in there. See how this come out. You know, Miss Belle has some good recipes out there for all you first time watchers and everything. And just, I'm gonna just flip this over right quick, just like this. Like that. Then I'm just put the rest of it on, just like that. Put it on just like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna raise it up, and I got 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So I'm gonna just start putting this in, just like that. Like I say, this right here is gonna be good. Just like that. Put it in, put these in. Yeah, I'm only gonna do a few at a time, and I'm gonna close it and let it go for 6 minutes, and we're gonna be looking at that together. And while this is cooking, you know, Mr. Belle, as your food is cooking, you could be washing the dishes. So don't save it for your spouse, don't save it for your kids, don't save it for your roommate, don't save it for your friends. Wash it as it go. They might turn down the food, might be hungry, and if they know they don't have to do the dishes, they're gonna enjoy the food even more better. Okay, it's 4 minutes out, there's 8 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I like to take you step by step. We're gonna look at this together. I'm just gonna flip some of this over just like this and flip it over. We're gonna see how this turn out and everything. Like that, and I'm gonna put this top down. Hope you can see it. Put the top down and let it finish. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise this top up. We're gonna look at it again. And as you see, it's coming out good. I have 2 minutes left on that. So I'm gonna just let it finish cooking in there like that. And it's looking good. Yes, put it down, let it finish. Okay, we still have 1 minute on there. I'm gonna let you take a look at it. It's looking good and everything. Nice and air fried and everything. We just gonna put that top down, let it finish. Okay, the minutes is up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise the top up. We're gonna look at it, and I'm gonna press cancel like that until I get ready to put the next batch in. Let's look at this. Oh yes, that's gonna be real nice. This right here is good for dessert, especially when it cool off. And everything right now is still hot. So I'm gonna set this right on this plate, just like this. Just like that. See how it pick up and it got a little flinch to it, like, oh yes. Still had the, oh yes, that's real nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch over, and I'm gonna just sit this next batch in. Just like this. Sit all this in there. Just like that. Now, that's what I'm saying when you have that extra fruit and you don't know what to do with it, apples, anything. Just work that Power XL. Put it in that Power XL, make something good, the kids will eat it. As long as it's sweet, they eat it just like that. Put all that in there. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. We're gonna look at this one. What I'm gonna do, it's looking good as you see. I'm gonna just flip this over right quick. Some of them just like this. Let it get that back side. Just flip them over. Put the top back down. Let it finish. Okay, we have 5 minutes left, so I'm gonna take it and raise this top up. As you see, they looking nice. It's looking nice. Yeah. I'm gonna put this top down and let it finish. And this is your air fried mangoes. If you like it, that's all you have to do. Leave a comment in the box, and you wonder how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and thank all my subscribers, my video, and my viewer watchers. And I'm going to test one of these. You heard that? These are good. Thank you. You should try. Put it on your list.